The gardens also provide an abundance of amazing fresh produce, which Executive Chef Craig takes advantage of every day to whip up the culinary delights he creates for Annandale's guests. Today, I'm helping him with a chicken and crayfish dish. Sounds delicious.
We're just going to use the breast for this one.
And do you like using local produce?
Yeah, we sure do. So we try and use everything that's within sort of 50 to 100 kilometres of the property.
Oh, that's fabulous.
So we're just going to use the chicken breast.
And I'm guessing all your herbs, maybe the onions and the lemons and limes are from your garden?
Yep, so about 80% of what we use is from the garden.
So you're going to sous vide this one?
Going to sous vide it for 45 minutes. We're going to do the crayfish.
And I'm guessing the crayfish is local as well?
Yes, just out in Pigeon Bay here, so it'll come in fresh. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. So I just take the shell off. So I'm just going to do this in the oven. I'm going to steam it though. So I'm just putting these here to stop it from curling up.
And how long would you put it in the oven for?
So I'm going to do this for about 7 minutes.
Once the chicken is finished in the sous vide, it's then placed in a hot pan to crisp up the skin.
So the crayfish is pretty much ready. I'm just going to put a little bit of lemon juice on it. And I'm just going to add a little bit of cream to our sauce.
And what kind of a sauce are we going to do with it?
Like a saffron sauce. So I'm just going to reduce some chicken stock down with a little bit of saffron and then cream, and then we'll finish off the chicken dish.
And do you like doing cooking classes with the guests?
Yeah, it's good. You hear different stories from people from all over the world and teach them different tricks, and they enjoy it and have a really good time. Just a little bit of coriander flour for a bit of freshness, a little dash of lemon. There we have it.
It's beautiful. Well, I cannot wait to try it.
All right.